Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be doing some long stiletto girly Fendi nails. That's what we'll be doing today. The original plan wasn't to do this type of length, but this is what we're working with. You already know on my channel it never goes as planned. Yeah, so I am showing you guys how I place two forms together to get the length that I want. I go ahead and cut a form in half and stick it just on top of the normal form, and I'll go ahead and stick the little piece on the back to secure both forms together. This adds strength to the form, so I will go ahead and roll it just like any form that I would apply to my nail, and then I'll go ahead and attach it to my nail and squeeze it into the stiletto shape. So I will do this before I apply it to any other nail. So I will create these forms and I will then go ahead and apply to the rest of the nails. Okay, so now they're applied, so we're going to be using extreme pink, nude pink, and the glitters. So I'll be going in with the glitters at the very tip, and to adhere this to the form I will do a mixture of clear and the glitter. So I'll create that tip. So now that the tip is created, I'm going in with extreme pink, slightly covering that glitter, and then I'll go in with nude pink on the base of my nails, and I will just fade that down like a regular ombre. And I will do this on each of the nails, so I won't be showing all of the nails. I use two nails as demonstration, and I sped the video up because the whole process was quite long and I didn't want to bore you guys, so I just did two nails sped up, doing the same exact thing on each of these nails. So after doing that, we will encapsulate each of the nails. You already know, because if we don't do that, then the whole fading, everything just gone to the door basically. So I'll repeat the same thing. Go ahead and apply the tip, and then I'll go in with my pink, my extreme pink, and after using my extreme pink, I will then go ahead with the nude pink in the cuticle area. Once you let it change. Let it burn, 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 let it burn. Now, if you change it, you'll know how. The nails are now dried, so I'm going in and removing each of the forms off the nails, and after that I'm going to use my 150 nail file to remove some of that, you know, acrylic onto the nail. It was such a long process because I thought that I did them so neat. I guess because I'm looking over the footage now, I can see all the, you know, not so correct stuff going on here, so I had to do a lot of filing, which I really didn't mind, but I was kind of pressed for time. But you know, I really don't mind his nails. So voila, there they are. So now I'm going in with my e-file, just removing some of that bulk around the cuticle area, all over the nail, on the sides of the nail, everywhere that I possibly can see, you know, work. So I remove that, and then I'll go in again with the file, because when you go in with the e-file, you then see more work after, because the e-file then clears that area and you see more work. So I'm going with my Emmy board once again to straighten up the nails as best as I possibly could at the time, because really and truly I did not see this until I was looking onto the footage. So I'll go ahead and clean up the nails around the cuticles, down the barrel of the nail, everywhere. So the next step is to go in with my regular, do you hear me say regular gel, my regular nail polish, creating squiggly lines all over the nail, and then I'll go in with a brush with some acetone on it to create my marble effect. I actually learned this from Tabitha Scott on YouTube here. She's such a good nail tech, I must say, that she gave me the idea to do this type of marbling, and I love it. And the effect that the acetone gave after drying was superb. It was right on the spot. So I'll create little squiggly lines all over, and I'll kind of reduce the amount of acetone that I take onto the brush to create a little bit more definition in some of the lines. Some of the lines I really don't care for, but some of the lines you need to show that it's somewhat of a marble. So I create this on each of the nails. It was so fun. And after that, I will go ahead, go over a light gel top coat, cure that for 60 seconds. I think then that's when I go in with my Fendi stickers. Like, these nails were bomb.
Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. The sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made yours. Didn't know when my heart be needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher, yeah. You take me higher, baby. I hope you find what you've been looking.
So now I'm going in with my Fendi sticker. Come for me, girl. The nails were so cute. So I went over the nail with a Fendi strip just below the pink where it meets the glitters, right there. And I applied them to each of the nails, and then after that I was then going with a top coat, add a stud right underneath the Fendi sticker and then I threw it for 60 seconds on my cuticles. And you see the reveal good. The nails them look good. The nails look good. So if you like this type of nails, you like this type of content, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Like, comment if you wish. Follow me on my Instagram and also my TikTok at Bear Beauty Services, and let me know what you guys think about these nails. And I will definitely see you guys in the next.
Reel it in, take it easy. There's no need to scream and shout. As far as I can see, my head think it's time for you to leave in peace. As far as I can see, my head think it's time for you to leave in peace. Never mind, I'm thinking out loud before we draw a crowd. Reel it in, take it easy. There's no need